Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be talking about a very important topic which some of you have actually messaged me in about, which is what do stem cells specifically treat? I'm going to go through a number of these, but just to go through over this so you understand what stem cells are. Stem cells, they are two types, which is embryonic stem cells, which can be anything, and they can also be adult stem cells, which are more specialized within the body. Okay, now these are two different types of stem cells, but on top of that, they're coming from good locations in the body and also bad locations as well. We always go for healthy stem cells. We always go for the highest quality stem cells for our customers and our clients, because if you're getting treated, you want to make sure it's coming from the best location, the healthiest location at the best quality that you can imagine. Okay, so let's get into it. What are the different types of illnesses, diseases that we can treat? The first one is blood, immune, and system disorders. So we're talking about leukemia here, sickle cell anemia, thalassemia, a severe combined immunodeficiency. All these things are problematic for individuals, but good thing is that it can actually treat. These can be treated. Also, neurological disorders, Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's, spinal cord injuries, stroke, multiple sclerosis. So we've got a huge range of things that this can be treated. And think of it, some of the immune stuff that's going on here, the brain tissue damage, the spinal cord issues, these can get repaired. Cardiovascular disease, heart attacks, heart failure, peripheral artery disease, it can be treated with stem cells. Orthopedic conditions such as arthritis, bone fractures, and ligament and tendon injuries, very popular. So if you're an athlete, if you're a sports person and you're wanting to make sure that you can, get this fixed, you can do that easily. Skin and tissue repair, burns and wounds, very popular for this. It basically generates new skin cells. That's what it basically does. Corneal damage, destroying the vision by repairing the surface of the eye. Some people have had that done as well. I've seen that with my own eyes. It's very surprising. Diabetes, this is a big one. Type 1 diabetes, so replacing damaged insulin-producing beta cells in the pancreas. My doctor has actually written that for me to specifically say today. Some of our clients have came in to the clinic and they have actually received this, and they have actually reported very good effects from this. So very important. Also liver disease, it regenerates liver tissue to improve the function. Liver failure, anything like this can be done. Now, autoimmune diseases, lupus, Crohn's disease, many things like this can be treated. Eye disorders and cancers as well, solid tumors, breast cancer, these types of things can have a impact. So it allows you to develop new strategies. If you work collaboratively with our doctors, you can develop a strategy to actually remove this and fix this. Infertility research, the doctors has written here, the research is exploring how stem cells can regenerate or repair reproductive cells and tissues. So not guaranteed, but it can reproduce those cells, so you can stand a chance, okay? And one of my my leading doctors who is involved in some university research, he also mentioned this, which is that stem cells are also being investigated for HIV and AIDS. So restoring the immune function, lung disease, kidney disease, hair loss. Can you imagine? And actually in Dubai right now, stem cells are being injected into your scalp for rejuvenation and hair regrowth. I've seen this physically with my own eyes. So while these stem cells we're mentioning this, that this is being used, people are freely doing this, the question becomes, where do you stand in this? Let's say you're watching this video, you've heard what I've said here, you like what I'm saying here, and you said, you know what, I would like to have a consultation here to find out more. It doesn't matter if you're based in America, in Europe, the GCC, Dubai, Australia, Japan, China, it doesn't matter. Wherever you are coming from in the world, we will treat you 100% fairly, confidentially, with the most amount of respect that you can imagine, and we will listen to you from your perspective. At the end of the day, this is an investment that you're making into your body, and we want to make sure that you make the best investment. That's the main thing. And we want to make sure that we source the right stem cells, the highest quality stem cells, so that when we are IV dripping this into your body, that you are getting the best value for your money. We operate our facility in the perspective of maintaining good customer relationships. At the end of the day, it might not be one treatment that you might have to get. You might have to come back for 2, 3, 4 treatments until the problem has been completely removed, or we have reduced it to a controllable amount and you can live your life normally, and you just come back every 6 months for a top-up. That can also be the case, but it's better to get off the tablets, get off, stop using a wheelchair, stop using glasses, stop going for hair transplant. There's reasons behind why people want to do it. It can just be the fact that you want to live a normal life, and this might be the only procedure that you can do to actually go about achieving this, right? So there are many things to think about here. So let's say you're interested in this and you want to speak to one of us. There's a link in the description below, and you can book your free consultation with me or one of my doctors. We will have a Zoom call with yourself. It will be completely confidential, completely one-to-one. You can tell us what the problem is. We will try our best to provide you a strategy so that you have a possible way forward. So this we will do for you 100%. In order to do that, click on the link below in the description and feel free to book your consultation, and we will support you on this. One of the other questions I had was, why are stem cells important? Which I just want to quickly cover. It's revolutionizing the medicine industry. That's the real reason. And it basically regenerates damaged tissues, it cures diseases, and it sounds like science fiction. I know it sounds like science fiction, but it's becoming science fact now. So it's something, it's here now. It's a well-known treatment. You might be hearing of this for the first time. I understand. I know this can be a shock to you, but Dubai is a city which places itself to be #1 in the world when it comes to artificial intelligence, healthcare, happiest city in the world, the thriving city in the world, technological revolution, everything. When it comes to it, Dubai wants to be #1. And healthcare and certainly stem cells is at the forefront when it comes to building a healthier, better city for everyone to enjoy. So if you want to be a part of this and you want to get your life, get your health back on track, click the link below, and I hope to have a consultation with you, or have one of my brilliant doctors who are based in Dubai have that consultation with you and support you in your health and medical needs. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching.